In this guide, I will be showing you guys how can you fix Apple Music resource unavailable streaming error. Let's get started. First, force close the Apple Music app by swiping off from the bottom of your screen and removing the app completely, then reopen it. Sometimes a quick restart is enough to fix temporary glitches. Next, check your internet connection. If you are connected to Wi-Fi, switch over to cellular data, and if you are using cellular, try connecting to Wi-Fi instead. Apple Music needs a stable connection for streaming, syncing, and downloading songs properly. You'll also want to make sure Apple Music has permission to use cellular data. To check that, launch settings, go to the option, apps. Now find music and launch it. Here, if you find the option of cellular, enable that. This helps with streaming music, updating your library, and loading album artwork. If the issue is not still fixed, try resetting your network settings. For that, head back to the main page of settings. Go to General, scroll down, click on Transfer or Reset iPhone, click on Reset Network Settings, and complete the process. Another important thing is to check whether Apple servers are having issues. For that, launch your preferred browser, type in Apple System Status and search for it. Navigate to the very first one website option. With that, you will be directed to this page. Click on this plus icon. Scroll and check Apple Music. If Apple Music is marked yellow or red, the problem is on Apple's side and you'll simply have to wait for them to fix it. Next, check for iOS update. For that, launch settings, go to General. Click on Software Update. If any updates are available, just do it. If the solution didn't work out for you, completely delete the Apple Music app from your device and reinstall it. Press and hold on the app, select the option Remove App, click on Delete App and click on Delete. Launch your App Store, search for the app Apple Music and download it. And that's it. By following these steps, your problem should be fixed. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.